Top 10 free AI tools you should be using in 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's now a game changer across industries, from content creation to customer service. If you're looking to boost your productivity, creativity, or even just have some fun with AI, without spending a dime, this video is for you. Today, I'm counting down the top 10 free AI tools in 2025 that are taking the internet by storm. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Dreamface app. Want to animate your selfies into singing, dancing, or talking characters? This app turns your photo into fun, viral videos in seconds. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or just messing around with friends. At number 9, we've got Canva, but this time, with AI superpowers. Canva now lets you use tools like Magic Write for copy, Magic Design to create entire layouts, and even Background Remover AI, all in the free version. Number 8 is DeepSeek. This one's for the tech lovers. Whether you're coding, searching for answers, or learning something new, DeepSeek gives you AI-powered coding help and smart search, faster than traditional engines. At 7, we've got Meta AI. Yes, Facebook's parent company has entered the chat with tools like Llama, their open-source large language model. Great for developers, researchers, or anyone who wants cutting-edge AI without the price tag. Coming in at number 6 is TTS Free. This tool is perfect for creating voiceovers fast. No login, no hassle. Just paste your text, choose a voice, and boom, you've got high-quality audio in seconds. At number 5 is a hidden gem, Minimax AI. This tool focuses on conversational AI and chatbot creation. Whether you're building virtual assistants or just want an alternative to ChatGPT, this one's powerful and surprisingly easy to use. Number 4 is a must-know for artists and designers, Leonardo AI. This tool turns your prompts into stunning digital art. From concept art to characters and environments, it's a dream tool for game designers, illustrators, and creatives. Number 3 is 11 Labs, and it's changing the game for voice AI. Whether you need narration, a voice for your video, or want to clone a voice, 11 Labs delivers ultra-realistic speech synthesis that sounds human, seriously. Coming in at number 2 is the OpenAI platform. This is the engine behind tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Whisper. If you're a developer or creator, you can use the APIs to build your own AI tools, for free or at very low cost. And of course, at number 1, ChatGPT. This is the AI tool that does it all: writing, brainstorming, coding, translating, tutoring, you name it. It's your 24/7 creative partner, and yes, the free version is insanely powerful. There you have it, 10 amazing AI tools you can use right now for free. Whether you're creating content, designing, coding, or just curious, these tools will change how you work and create in 2025.